Hey guys, wanna keep it a secret? Okay, this is burn notice. This is burn notice truck crash. And you cannot see this is already a rack truck. A rack truck is blue and white with the cords. It's been it's been crashed into by clown cars, which just tip over first. So it was been chased by police. The car has been chased by police. So here we go. This is the Rack Truck Death by Kenny McCormick. We go. 3, 2, 1. It's gone by for a hit. There it is. And boom! LJ Slide. Oh my god, they killed Racky. You. Alright now. There's a synchronization's gonna be coming. There's let me zoom this up. Okay, here's Kenny McCormick colored rig or semi truck. This is not even a rig. A rack truck. Sorry, it's only a semi truck or rig because it's a box. And now this is not GMC. That truck that got crashed was a GMC. Is that I thought it wasn't a Zuzu elf truck. It looks like it, but this is like an elf truck. It's actually a Rozuzu truck. It's candy colored too. So let me synchronize it if you want to see if it's gonna be really classical. And let me hit I in a little bit, and now it's gonna be ready. Alright, I'm ready. Here we go.
Oh my god, she killed Kenny! You bastard!
Okay, there. That's a truck death. That was Kenny Truck Cormick. How about that, huh? Wow, that went really well. It just blew off the tire. Poor Trucky McCormick. Rip Trucky. And now for this time. Alright, here is a fat hater truck. Eric Carmen colored truck. A Zuzu colored truck. The Coca-Cola guy. Versus Raquel and Siman. Yeah, Tran, which is Stan. Kyle colored and Stan colored. That's just screw you guys, I'm going home part. And then it's over. Oh my god, they go after you. Okay, sorry.
Okay, that does it. Screw you guys, I'm going home. Okay, that's it. Screw you guys, and...
Here we go. He's going home. Stan really hates Carmen so much. Yep, he's going home. Uh-oh, he's gonna get off. Oh no. That was even okay. Okay guys, that's all for the video. Give it a thumbs up. Possible surrounds, I got a lot of cars in Roblox Studios. So, see you next time.